all one.
So, Rücken raus, hoch, Schwabe. Achtung, Stirnzug. 1, 2, 2, Block.
I can't really put into words how it feels to be here. It's been the end of a long journey that goes back to me as a 10-year-old not really knowing what my roots were beyond my grandfather talking to me about the philosophy on the bottle of soap. He never really wanted to talk about history. He wanted to talk about uniting the human race right now. And so, since then, I've wondered kind of where are my roots?
We are in Laupheim, Germany, in the Jewish quarter, at our ancestral homes.
And this is the house in which my grandfather's grandfather first made soap in 1858. And we're here on the occasion of dedicating this house because 5-6 years ago, my brothers bought the house and it has been renovated.
And now it's this awesome home for adults with special needs who are so super rad to be graciously welcoming us to their home. And then in the basement is a museum to our soap making history.
So in the basement we have a collection of artifacts, of photographs, of documents to trace our family's history. And it goes through all the soap making generations. And it was quite a task to compile all of this because we have a family that was split by war, was split by tragedy, a lot of emigration to different parts of the world. And to have the physical documents and to have gathered those from all these years back has been a massive project.
So to see this home where my ancestors lived, restored to a place that's livable now, that's integrated into the community. If you look at it from the front, it looks just like it fits in to all the other homes you see here. But then you look at it from the back and you see just these wonderful flourishes like our mural you see from Dr. Bronner's on this glass facade that's shaped like soap bubbles. It's just the perfect combination of soap and soul that we always talk about, Dr. Bronner's. So here we are, end of May 2024, and we've brought our family from Israel, from America, to come witness the grand opening of this house. It's just a reunion like no other.